Recording in progress.
So guys, we'll move on to the next topic, that is batch 2. We have to go to the workspace. Batch 2 workspace we have to go. Okay. You have to go to the batch 2 workspace. The next topic is handling the calendars. What we are going to do with the calendars, I'll tell you. While the Eclipse IDE will take some time to launch here, I'm going to do something here. Just observe what is I'm trying to do. I'll go to OpenCart website. Earlier in the previous sessions, I covered you handling static tables. Now I'm going to show you one example of a dynamic table here. Okay, I'll go to the OpenCart application. Once we are done with the dynamic tables, right, we will go to the frameworks. Okay, the next topic is frameworks, guys. The next topic we are going for framework. I'll go to the demo application, demo page. After going to the demo page, here there are two options here: administration option and storefront option. I'll open this in one tab and I'll open this in another tab. Coming to the admin option, here I have to pass demo and demo as the username and password. Default, they are giving demo and demo as a username and password. Login, you'll get logged in. Okay, you'll get this kind of things. You can ignore that for a while. That's okay. Then here extension, what was that? Sales, orders I have to click. When I click orders, right, I already placed one order here in the morning itself. Before I started the session, right, I placed one order here. Okay. Now, can you guys do one thing? I want you guys to place this order. Go to this application and place some order, guys. Can you do this, guys? Try to log into the try to create an account with the application. Try to create a new account with this demo.opencart. So here I'll give you this URL, this one, storefront URL I'll give you. You guys have to place some order. Okay. I would like to see the orders, guys. Before that, I cannot start. My name is in the first record. First of all, my name is in which record? First record. My name is in the first record. Now, once you guys also will place some orders randomly on this application, my name will actually go down. Okay, it will not be in the first record. The latest records will be there in the first position. That means this particular table is dynamic. Anyone can place, if anyone is actually placing the order, okay, trying to place the order in this application, type PO in the chat box so that I can get a confirmation that I can wait for you guys to place the order. Whoever is placing the order, yes, Rajkumar is placing an order on this application. I have pinged the application URL in the chat box, demo.opencart.com. You can use that, create a new account, and try to place the order with the items that are displayed on the home page. On the home page, you can see a lot of items, guys. Try to place the order with that items. Only Rajkumar. What about other people? Are you guys not placing any order? Is anyone else placing the order apart from Rajkumar? Just type PO in the chat box. I want to show you how this page is dynamic. Okay, Manjula is also placing the order. Great. Rajkumar, Manjula, great, good participation. What about other people? Is anyone else placing the order? Apart from Rajkumar, Manjula, is anyone else placing the order? Sandesh is placing the order. Good Sandesh. What about other people? There are 21 people other than me in this session. So who else is placing the order? I just want to know. Anyone else placing the order? I want you guys to place the order, guys. Go to the website I have given you in the Zoom chat link and try to place the order. That's it. Create an account and place an order with your name. I can see here who has placed the order in real time. So we are soon going to get orders from Rajkumar, Manjula, Sandesh, and Kumari. These 4 people are very active and they are going to place the order. That's very great. Anyone else is placing the order? I want more orders, guys. I want other people. It's very good for you guys if you are placing the order, right? It's very good for you. Go to this website, try to create an account, log in, and after that, go to the home page like this. Nagveni is also placing an order. Great, Nagveni. And the home page, you will see these items. Pick one of the item like this iPhone you can pick if you want. Once you click on the iPhone, what you have to do? You have to click on add to cart. And after you click on add to cart, go to shopping cart. Verifying that your human is coming, that's okay. So they're also worried because a lot of automation scripts are running maybe on them. And that's how they stop people. Okay. So once just click on checkout. If any address details are to be provided, if you are already creating an account, right, you would have provided account details. Otherwise, provide the details here. Select all these options like this cash on delivery, and you can write a comment if and place confirm order. Okay. Okay. You can place confirm order. I am not placing it because I already have placed. Okay. I just go and refresh here and to see if anyone has placed the order yet. Yeah, I didn't get the order set. My order has been placed in the today's morning hours. Okay, at 15:05. Today's date, I placed the order. I want other people to fastly place the orders by creating an account. Just create some dummy details and fastly create an order, guys. Okay. I can also create some accounts and place the orders. Go to register and I'll give some details here. Email 12345. So I don't want to give my name as Arun here. Varun Dawat I'll give. Varun Dawat. 12345. Yes. Privacy policy. Click on continue. Account will be created as simple as it. And now go to the home page. Click on one of the item. Add to cart. Shopping cart. Checkout. Will ask you for the address details and all. Varun Dawat. Company. Just give some company details and all that's okay. The name should be different from Delhi. Continue. No thanks. I want to use existing address only. Select this. Nothing is happening here. I want to use existing address. And here, why these drop-down fields are not working for me? I want to use a new address. Okay, here, continue button is not there for the. Is anyone able to place the orders? Somehow there is a problem with the application. Varun Dawat. Region, none. Continue. Address. Just give some address here. Region, Kerala, continue. At least now I should get the options. Cash on delivery, inform order. Now go and refresh the page here. Let's see how many options. Only my records came. What about your records, guys? Your records are not coming. Anyone have placed item not added to cart? Which item you are using, Rajkumar? Try to use iPhone item. Try to use iPhone. Try to use this iPhone from the home page. You will be able to do that. Manjula, you also try to do the iPhone item, okay? iPhone item is working for you. So meanwhile, I'll also try to place some orders, guys. I'll just create logout and create a new account. Every time I'm creating a new account, Tarun Bhaskar, Tarun Bhaskar, Tarun Bhaskar @gmail.com. Password is 12345. Yes. Privacy policy. Click on continue. Account got created. And then I'll go here. Account got created. I'll go to the home page and I'll go to the iPhone. Click on iPhone. After creating the account, I'll go to the iPhone. Click on add to cart. Item will be added to the cart. Here, click on the checkout. This kind of fields will come. Tarun Bhaskar, right? Tarun Bhaskar details I'll give. Bhaskar and I'll give the details, some random details I'm giving. Okay. And here also Tarun Bhaskar. Again, details I'm giving. Here I'm giving. Continue. No thanks. Okay, these options are not coming now. I want to use a new address. If the options are not coming, just say I want to use a new address and type it again. Tarun Bhaskar. Continue. No thanks. not working, na? Sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working. Have to click. Why it is not working here? What is the problem? Yeah, I want to use same. Now it got. You see, just refresh the page. There is a defect in this application, guys. There is a defect in the application. Try to refresh the page or do something. It will come. Click on confirm order. Now go here and see. Tarun Bhaskar order also has come. Okay. 2 orders already created. So don't worry about anything now. I'll just keep on click. You see now, my record is at which position, guys? Tell me. My record is available at which position? My record is available at which position? After these 2 records got added, earlier my record was Arun Motor record was at the first position. Now in the table, at which position my name is there? My record is there at the 3rd position. If someone asks, if someone places the more orders here, if someone places more orders here, okay, if someone places more orders here, what will happen? Now my record will go to the 4th position. My record will go to the 4th position. Okay. Sometimes it's not working also. Just refresh the page and click on checkout. You do something, guys, until it works. Okay. That's only the thing you have to do. Until it works, you have to do something. Confirm order. That's it. Refresh here. Now my record has gone to the 4th position. Again, I'll go to the home page. I'll add few more items. Apple Cinema. Let's see, it will be added or okay, it's very complex. Let's not go with that. Canon camera. Is it simple? Yes, it looks simple. Try to add to cart. Is it happening? Select. Nothing is there. It will not happen. There is a defect in the application. MacBook. Let's try with the MacBook add to cart. MacBook is getting added to cart. That's okay. Click on checkout. And here, these options are not coming. Confirm order is not coming. I want to use a new address. You have to say. Okay. Tarun. Bhaskar. All the details you enter. Select one thing and click on continue. It's not coming. Refresh the page. If it is not coming, refresh the page. There is a possibility that these things may work. I want to use existing address. Refresh the page. There is a very defective application, right? It's not allowing us. Okay. It's unable to load the payment things. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it is not working, guys. I'll just select other one. No, I'll select other one. Continue. Is it working? No. Refresh. 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 I think it's not working now. I cannot confirm the order. You have changed the payment address. Some errors are coming. I don't know what is happening there. I'll give it a last try here. Bhaskar. Continue. But this option is not coming. Confirm order will not come without that. We can't do anything. Is there any way I can trick this browser? Inspect this. Confirm order is there. Confirm order. Due button. Disabled. I'll remove the disabled field and just make it enabled and click on confirm order. What will happen? Let's see. You should not be doing this, but I'm just trying to do that. Okay. This kind of testing you can do in real time. It's not working though. Here I'll make it enabled. Right click inspect. Here disabled is there. I'll remove the disabled and make it enabled so that nothing, no option is coming. That's why it's not working, guys. Okay. Somehow it's not able to get the option here. Somehow it's not able to get the options here. So that's okay. So yeah, we have placed some orders. That's okay. Go here. Try to place iPhone order only. Add to cart. I looked for shortcuts, but no shortcut was working. I'll remove this MacBook. Click on checkout. I'll select the options. Whenever the options are coming, just select that. Maybe some products, right, you are not getting the options. Okay. Some products you are not getting the options. That's the problem. choose the right products while placing the orders, guys. Instead of choosing a MacBook or any other thing, choose iPhone only every time. iPhone is getting placed. Shopping cart. Checkout. You see, this is getting placed, guys. Remaining options are not getting placed. Continue. Refresh. Another order is placed. The moment I keep on placing the orders, right, my name is going to the next record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 6th position, it is there. Okay. So this is a iPhone is showing out of stock for now. Okay. Maybe we tried a lot of things. Let's see. No problem. I'll try that iPhone thing that you are seeing as out of stock. Click on place. Let's see whether I'm getting that error or not. Add to cart, shopping cart, checkout, select, confirm order. I'm able to place the order still with iPhone also. Okay. I don't know why it's kind of thing for you. You see, it has went to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th record. It went to the 7th record. Okay. I keep on placing the orders. It's not compulsory that my Arun record will be staying on the top. Is it compulsory, guys? Is it a static table, or the values of the tables, or the values of the tables are changing dynamically? It's not a static table. It's a dynamic table where the values are changing like this. My requirement is very simple, guys. As part of handling the dynamic table, what I want to do is I want to go to this particular page and select the option, this particular checkbox option I want to select. Arun Moto record I want to select. Okay, no matter how many records are placed tomorrow, whether my name is in first position or second position or 7th position, I want to select the Arun Motori option. Okay, I want to select this checkbox field where Arun Motori record is available. That's what I want to do. How to do that? For that, I'll write the automation code, guys. For that, I'm going to write the automation code to handle this. So I'll just go here. Okay, where is the place we have? I went to the batch 2. Great. Batch 1, I have to go. Okay. For that, I have to place the orders, guys. For that, I have to place the orders. And if you can see here, guys, if you can see here, there is a pagination also. If you add more records here, this record may go to the second page. Okay, it will go to the second page. Again, I have to search Arun Motor in the second page. If it is in third page, I have to go and search in the third page. Okay, so we'll try all this stuff, guys. We'll try all this. For now, Arun Motori record is in the first page only. So we don't have to worry. Let the Eclipse ID launch. We'll try to automate that. Once the Eclipse ID launches, we'll try to automate that. So able to understand the requirement, guys. Able to understand the requirement. Guys, able to understand the requirement, what we are trying to do. We are going to select Arun Motori. Okay. We want to select the row number where Arun Motori record is there. That's the purpose. And it's not compulsory that Arun Motori will stay in the first record. It may be in second record, maybe in third record, fourth or fifth, sixth, seventh, or it may even go to other pages also. No matter what, we have to write the code in such a way that wherever the Arun Motori is there in this particular page 1 table or page 2 table or any other page table, along with the pagination, along with this dynamic table, together we are going to automate the stuff. So for today, this is a thing that we are going to automate, guys. Tomorrow, we'll deal with the frameworks. Tomorrow, I'll start with the frameworks, guys. Okay, tomorrow I'll start the framework concepts. The first framework concepts, okay. Tomorrow, I'm going to start the framework concepts. We'll start with TestNG or something like that, okay, tomorrow. So tomorrow onwards, I'll start the framework concepts. So be ready for the framework concepts. Once the frameworks are done, we'll move on to the, okay. Once the framework concepts are done, we'll go and build the real automation frameworks, okay. Some 2 popular automation frameworks we'll build. On the weekends, we'll do R&Ds. Anyone interested in learning a lot, right? They have to attend the weekend sessions. On the weekdays, I'll cover the important topics only. Important stuff will be covered on the weekdays, whereas additional stuff, whatever I planned, right, for you, additional stuff going ahead, right, everything will be on the weekends. Everything will be on the weekends. Okay. Whatever the additional stuff going ahead will be on the weekends. Very, very detailed, dedicated weekends we are going to have in the coming days, where I'm going to explain the additional stuff. So there are 2 more sections left out for our automation, that is framework side. framework concepts and frameworks. Okay. Anyhow, this has been launched now. I'll go here, expand this, and here I need to write something like this. Handling tables is there, tables demo. Here I'll write, okay, in the tables demo only I'll write why to create another package again. Just 3 files are there in this, you can easily find. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, under the tables demo only, I'll use tables demo. I'll expand the tables demo, guys. Here I'm going to create a new class. I'm going to create a new class, guys. I'll just name this class as handling dynamic tables demo. With main method, I have tried testing the test methods or main method is also fine, not a problem for now. Anyhow, in the coming sessions, I'm going to explain about test-ng. Till then, we'll continue with the main method, not an issue. We'll write the code inside the main method, no problem at all. Now save this and go back here to the page where we have to log in and all. This one is completed. Okay, fine. So what I'm trying to do here is I'll just log out from here. You have to log out, guys. I don't have an option to log out here. Yeah, log out is here. I'll just log out from here and also log out from here intentionally for a while. I'll go to this open cart website, open cart. In the open cart, I'll click on this demo. I'm not going to automate all these steps. I'll go to the demo here. In the demo administration part, I'll click. I'll get this link. This is the link URL we need where we have to log into this page. Okay. So here I'll write down driver dot. Sorry, I'm writing WebDriver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Right. Control Shift O. Then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize and driver dot get the application URL. Copy this URL. Copy this URL, guys. And here write down the code like this. Copy this URL and write the code like this. Right click, inspect this username field. Inspect this username field. And here ID is there. Copy this ID. Enter the details. Driver dot find element by dot ID. Provide the ID locator. Provide the ID locator. After providing the ID locator here. After providing the driver dot find element by dot ID. After providing the ID locator here. Put a semicolon here and then username field, I'll say username field is equal to hold the mouse on this username field and click create local variable. Now simply write down username field dot send keys. Have to enter the username as demo is a default username the application has given us. And similarly, you have to inspect this password field, inspect the password field, and in the password field also, inspect this password field again. Inspect. So this is HTML code for the password we input. ID is called password is there. If ID locator is there, we don't have to worry much. Driver dot find it's very easy to automate. By dot ID will provide the ID locator of the password field. And here write down password field is equal to write down the password field is equal to hold the mouse and say create local variable. Control Shift Z and hold the mouse on this and say create a local variable and simply write down password field dot the keys, and here write down something like demo here, put a semicolon here, After typing demo, what I have to do next? I have to click on the login button, inspect the login button. Here button type submit is there. So I'll copy this type and say Control F /button. You can also say contains contains text function is equal to login. Also you can write, not a problem. This also will work. Yeah, this is also working. You see button containing the text as login. Copy this. It's locating the button, right? Yeah, only one element that is locating the element. Driver dot find element by dot XPath, provide the XPath expression of that particular button, that is login button. This is nothing but the login button. Login button is equal to Hover the mouse on the login button and create a local variable and simply write down login button dot click. It will click on the login button. Once it clicks on the login button, you will get logged in. Once you get logged in, you will not get this kind of dialogues maybe in real time. So here on the left side, you have to click on sales option. You have to click on the sales option here, inspect the sales option and see whether it's being clicked or not. Inspect the sales option. Anchor tag. What is there here? Sales is there. I'll just write down, I'll just copy the sales text and create a XPath expression here. /a contains text function, comma, sales option, close the circular brackets. Only one element is getting located, that is sales option. I would like to click on the sales option. Once I click on the sales option, you see these sub options are coming. The sub options are coming dynamically without the page getting loaded. So it's better you write down driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait. Okay. Synchronization or asynchronous problems or activities will be taken care of this particular statement. Driver duration dot off seconds and give 10 seconds max. That's enough. And here write down driver dot find element by dot XPath, provide the XPath expression of that sales option. Write sales option here, sales option. Over the mouse on this, create a web element. Now click on sales option dot click. The moment I click on sales option, it should work till here. It should work, guys. It should be able to log in and click on the sales option. Let's see whether sales option is getting clicked properly or not with this automation script that I have written so far. In order for that particular table to come, we have to take all this. We have to do all these activities, guys. We have to do all these activities in order to get the things done. Demo, click on login button. You see, it's verifying whether you are a human being or not. Okay. I think the script will fail. Script has not failed or failed. Script has failed. You see, what is the reason? No such element exception. Okay, no such element exception. For what element it is giving no such element? Sales option. So I'll do one thing. I'll explicitly wait. I'll try to surpass whatever it's not a good idea to, overcome whatever they are doing, restricting us. So I'll do something like WebDriver. Wait is equal to new WebDriver wait driver comma duration dot off seconds. I'll give like maximum of 120 seconds. I'll give, so 2 minutes and 2 minutes I'm giving, right? I don't think it will take more than 2 minutes. Control Shift O, and here I'll write on wait dot until expected conditions dot visibility of element located by this by dot XPath. You give it here. Okay, by dot XPath you give it here. That's okay. Now put a semicolon at the end. Then that will be gone. After that, you run the script this time. So this is not working. So let's try this out. And I'm giving 120 seconds. I'll be waiting. Instead of giving no such element exception, I'll maximum wait for 120 seconds here to overcome that verification of whether you are a robot or You are an automation script or you are a real human being. It's trying to find out. Demo login. So I have given 120 seconds. It will not fail the script until 120 seconds, guys. Once the page loads, this may take a few seconds, verifying you are a human being. Verification is taking longer than expected. Yeah. This important security notification is coming in between again. Just see here, the script has again failed. And element, this time it's not failing for sales option not coming, it's failing for element click intercepted exception, because this kind of important security notification is coming. We have to close this. Okay, what is this? Just right click here and select inspect option. Just right click here and select inspect option. It's part of the same web page. It's part of the same web page. So what we can do here is button close is there. Copy this and create an XPath expression. Control F, /* @ class is equal to, give that value. If it is locating, only one element is getting located. Locating means okay, class locator is working fine. We can use this as a class locator. Copy this. I'll do one thing here. Here, before you do anything here, anyhow, we are waiting for the sales options to come. Until that, we are waiting. And after the sales option comes, right, that's okay. We have to, if this comes, if this particular dialog comes, we have to close it, okay? So I'll simply write on driver.find element by .xpath, give the XPath expression of that close option. Give the XPath expression of that close option. Sometimes this dialog will come, sometimes this security notification may not come, we don't know. So for that reasons, okay. So this is a close option, close option, I'll say. For the most create a web element. I would like to click on this close option, but what if this close option has not come? What if this particular close option has not come? Given no such element exception, it will come. So it's better you write in the try catch block. If the option comes, the try block will be executed. If the option doesn't come, nothing will be done, guys. Okay, catch exception E you write, no such element exception or exception E you can write whatever it is. So system.out.println, just print the details of the exception if you want to get the details of the exception in the output. So no matter what, whether the particular dialog will come or not, the code will continue. Okay, this is class name, right? Yes, correct. Thank you for identifying that class name, right? Correct. Class name. It's not XPath, it's class name, right? Thank Rajkumar. Now run the script and see whether it is working this time or not. Let's run the script and see whether it is working this time or not. We are still waiting for sales option, but we are waiting for the page is loading. It will wait. We can also give thread.sleep if required. You don't have to explicitly wait for an element here. This is something that we should not be automating, but we are automating because we don't have any other example for, dynamic tables and all. You see, close sales option also got clicked. Everything is working fine so far. Now we have to click on the orders option. Okay, now we have to click on the orders option. After you click on the sales option, orders options will come. Inspect that orders option. And here, anchor tag again contains order. Same thing. This orders text I will take. Control F /A contains text function, comma, orders, square bracket, orders. Copy this, and simply write down driver.find element by XPath. Provide the orders related XPath expression, and click on the orders option. Orders option is equal to create the web element, and simply write down orders options dot click. This will click on the orders options, and once the orders option has been clicked, you will get this particular table, guys. In the table, once you get the table, right? Once you get this particular table, in the table, what you have to do? You have to find where exactly this Arun Moturi is there, and you have to select this checkbox field. Okay, that's what you have to do. So how to find out this is the record? How to find the row number? To find the row number, I can write some logic like this. Okay, I will write some logic like this, guys. To handle this dynamic table, I will write some logic here. only the customer data will capture. Only the customer data will capture. How to capture the customer data here? Inspect all this Arun Motori for now. You'll get some HTML code. Here Arun Motori is there having some HTML code. Here, somewhere here, Arun Motori is there. And before that, somewhere here, ID form is there. Under the form, we have that table. Control F. I want to create a proper XPath expression form at the rate ID is equal to give the ID. Under the ID, we have the table. Under the ID, we have the table. Under the table, we have some TR. How many table rows are there? 11 records are coming here, including the header record. Total 11 records are coming. In that, if I write TD, if I write TD means all these TDs will come, guys. Okay, all the TDs will come. If I say TD of 1, 11 are coming. If I say TD of 2, this order ID TDs are coming. You see, this order IDs are coming. If I say TD of 3, store details are coming. Your store is coming. If I say TD of 4, TD of 4 means customer details will come. You see, customer. Previous one is even heading is also coming. Even heading is also coming, guys. Even heading is coming. To overcome that, is there any way we have to see? T head is there, T body is there, right? So here we'll write /T body. If I write like this, you see, the problem will be gone away. Here T head, T body, segregation is there. So if I write T body here, only this 10 records are coming. You see, Tarun Bhaskar, Tarun Bhaskar, Tarun Bhaskar, Tarun Bhaskar, Tarun Bhaskar, Tarun Varun Dawat, Arun Motori, AB, Avinash, Avinash Bhagat. Again, only 10 records are coming. You see, this is what I want. This XPath expression that I want, guys. I'll create this kind of XPath expression and copy this and create a driver dot find elements. Instead of find element, I'll say find elements because 10 records will come. By dot XPath, give the XPath expression of that column. If you are good with creating XPath expressions, you can do that. Okay. So because we don't know in which record, this Arun Motori is there. First record or seventh record, we doesn't know. Okay. So I want to get the things like this. I'll simply say these are something like customers. Customers is equal to over the mouse, create local variable. So for okay, for each and every customer, is a web element, right? Web element. For each and every customer, I'll iterate this. And here, once I go to the customer, I'll just try to find out, okay? Customer dot get text command how to use. If you go here, if I inspect this, you see the text is between the tags. Customer text is there between the tags. Okay. So get text command I have to use web element dot get text, and this will return you string actual customer name is equal to what is expected customer. What is expected customer that you are expecting? String expected. Which customer record you want to select? I want to select the customer record having the name Arun Motori. Okay. This particular Arun Motori text should be there. That's the expected customer. So here I will write down if the actual customer name that is retrieved dot equals expected customer name, this expected customer name Arun Motori, then what we have to do? We have to select this checkbox field. Where the checkbox field will be available? We have to write driver dot find element by dot here I have to simply write down like this, guys. Okay. By dot XPath, give this one. Give this by dot XPath, entire by dot XPath you take till circular bracket or what? Okay, till this circular bracket you take, and here write down by dot XPath, and here instead of TD of 4, right? Okay, this is the problem, guys. This is the problem. What we have to do, we don't know. Okay. Okay. Here Here I'll do something else. I'll tell you what I have to do. Instead of for each loop, can I use for loop or something? Is it better to use for each loop or for loop? It looks like I have to use for loop, guys. Okay. Instead of this, I'll use for loop. Int I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to customers dot size. Customers dot size. I plus plus I'll say. Instead of for loop, this is a kind of situation where we have to decide whether it is normal for loop or for each loop you have to decide. Okay. So here, how to get the customer here? Customers dot get of I. I will become what? 1 means it will get the second customer. Okay. First customer will be stored at the index 0. So I have to give 0 here. I is equal to 0. I less than customers dot size I have to give. Okay. Then it is okay. Customers dot get of I dot get text I have to write. Then I'll get the actual customer name. I can compare here. And here I have to give the TR value. Here TR of some number. If I give TR of I here, what will happen if I concatenate I here, the value of I here, if I concatenate, what will happen? Just see here. Here, give double quote. That's it. Now, what will happen in this case? Dynamically, the XPath expression will be created here. So that is, if I copy this one, guys, if I copy this one, copy this double slash forward till this string text I have to copy. Till here I have to copy, guys. Okay. Till here I have to copy this, come back here, and here give the value. And here instead of I, if you give the I value like tr of square bracket of, if I give 1 means what will happen? Tarun Bhaskar is getting located. Tr of 2 of TDF, again the same Tarun Bhaskar in the second record. Third record Tarun Bhaskar. Fourth record Tarun Bhaskar. 5 means fifth record Tarun Bhaskar. 6 means sixth record Varun Dawat. And 7 means Arun Motori. Okay, Arun Motori is getting located. Okay, so this value of R should be changing. So according to the iteration, we'll change, guys. What I will do here is if I is equal to 0, get of 0 means it will get the first customer name. That is, it will get Tarun here. Actual customer name is Tarun. Tarun dot equals to Arun Motori. It's false. Okay, it's not equal, so it will not select any option here. Okay, it will not select any option here. So it will go to the next iteration, I plus plus, I will become 1 less than. It will get Tarun Bhaskar, again Tarun Bhaskar not equal to Arun. Then I will become 2. It will get, when I becomes 2, it will become Tarun Bhaskar, not true. Again Tarun Bhaskar, not true. Tarun Bhaskar, not true. Okay, it will keep on going, guys. So what is the problem here is driver dot find element is there, but I is 0 is there. But here, in case of XPath expressions, indexing concept is not there. So here I have to write I plus 1. I plus 1 I have to write. If you have to work in a better way, you have to write I plus 1. If I is equal to 0 means it should be I plus 1 here in the XPath expressions. Okay. Fine. Now, this will give you the record actual customer name dot get of I you're already getting. But here, I have to give TD of, I should not be giving TD of 4. I have to give TD of 1. Then you see the checkbox field of the Arun motor will come. So here TD of 1 we have to give. So give TD of 1 here in the XPath expression. So now simply write down checkbox. Checkbox is equal to over the mouse on this and say create local variable and simply write down checkbox dot click. Checkbox dot click. Now simply write down checkbox dot click. It will select the checkbox option. And after clicking that, right, you don't have to stay anymore. Just break it. Just break it, guys. Okay, I'm going to give you one more simple solution. After this, after explaining this, I'm going to give you another simple solution, guys. You don't have to write this much of logic. I'll tell you how to write that. Okay, you don't have to write this much of logic. Using for loop and using this kind of stuff, we can do that. But there's another way. There's another way of getting these things done. Okay, so you don't have to write this kind of logic at all. I'll tell you what to do. So here expected customer is Arun Motori. And we are finding that out, right? Now run the code and see whether the checkbox option is getting selected or not. Let's see our script is working or not, whether we are able to handle the dynamic tables by writing this kind of logic, we are able to handle the dynamic tables or not. Let's see. We have to see whether we are able to handle the dynamic tables, yes or no. We have to see. So we are actually waiting for the sales option to come. So it will wait for 120 seconds. So it will go off. We'll wait for the page to load. Taking, yeah, now it is removed that orders. You see, it selected the checkbox field for Arun Motori successfully. So our script is working fine. But what if the Arun Motori is not there in the first page? What if the Arun Motori is not there in the first page? Then it will work or not? Then it will work or not? That is a problem, right? For that, we have to find out how many pages are there. Here, 41 pages are there. You see, showing 1 of 10 of 410 records, and how many pages are there? 41 pages are there. If you go to the last one, it is a first 41 page. Okay. Here, whatever the number is there, we have to get it dynamically. Inspect this option, guys. Inspect this 41. Here also it will be there. Just inspect this 41 and see what is there. Showing 1 to 10 of 41 after the this one, you're getting 41. Okay. So how to retrieve this 41 here from this particular text? How to retrieve the 41? First, we have to create this web element for locating this part. So text end is there and class row is there. And above that, any other stuff is there. Table is there actually. I'll write down control. I think text end will not be there for any other classes. So control F /div contains @ class, give that class, provide square bracket. Two elements are coming. What are the two elements? One is this one. Other one is somewhere. Text end is there. Okay. I'll provide the circular brackets here. If two elements are coming, I'll provide circular brackets and give one here. What is getting located? Let's see. It's not getting located. I'll give two here. Is it getting located? Yes, this is getting located. I can get the text out of this now. I create an XPath expression. Using this XPath expression, I'll get the text between the tags. First of all, I'll get the text between the tags. So here, before this iteration is going on, for every page, it will get the customer size, guys. That's okay. Every page will get the customer size. Driver.find element, it will go to that particular page and get the customer size. Before that, guys, before that, you have to write the code for the getting the number of pages, and because the Arun Motori text may not be there in the first page table, right? Maybe in the second page table, it can be in third page table. So we'll try to figure that out. So to get how many pages are there on the page, driver.find element by XPath, give the XPath expression of that particular element. I'll say pages text, pages element, okay, over the mouse, create a web element. And in the pages element, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write down pages element dot get a text. I'll say the text between the tags is there. So get text. In that get text, I'll write substring. In that substring, I have to give the begin index. So here, in this particular substring, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. From 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Till 22, I have to remove. But we don't know it is 22 because today it is 410. If it is 41, it will not be 22, right? So how to get that? How to get 41 here? We have to split it. Wherever the circular bracket comes, we have to split it. Okay, wherever the circular brackets come, we have to split it. So once I split it, this will become one part, this will become one part, and this will become remaining part. Okay, this will become remaining part. So we have to first split it. So here, instead of this one, do one thing, guys. This is a original text. I'll say original text is equal to original pages text. This is the one. In the original text, what I will going to do is I'll write split method, split of what is the regular expression? What is the regular expression I have to give? This one. Split of this one. And this will return you the string array. The split method will return you the string array. So here I'll write dot here and say okay, split method is coming. That's okay. Let's write create the array. What is the matter? X string array. X is equal to string array. And here I have to simply write down text of it will be split into two parts. This is one part, 0th index. The second part is the first index. I'll take the first index. I'll say 1. Text of 1 dot again. Dot again. I have to split with space. Dot again. I have to split with space this time. If I split with space, what will happen? If I split with space, what will happen? 41 will go in one direction and pages and remaining stuff will go in one direction. 41 will come. Okay. So string text subtext, I'll say subtext here is equal to, and the final one, what is that? Text of 1 dot split. Why it's not coming? String array I have to write, sorry, string array. Subtext of 0 I have to write. 0 will give you the actual number. In string pages number text, pages number text is equal to this will come as 41 for now, and I have to convert this into the integer number. How to do that? Integer dot parse int of page number text. Okay, and then here you'll get the integer page numbers, page count. I'll say page count, otherwise page count is equal to. Okay, I got the page count now. I'll write the for loop now. For int p is equal to page 1, p less than or equal to page count, p less than or equal to page count, p plus plus page plus plus. I'll write this for loop here. This for loop is up to here, and I'll iterate until all the pages are completed. Okay, like this, and app here. Fine. We'll break from this loop, but I have to break this loop actually. External for loop I have to break. If it has selected the option, I have to break the external for loop only. So how to break the external for loop? You have to give some names for these blocks, maybe. Ext loop, external loop, colon I'll give, and inner loop, colon, and here I'll write down ext loop, break external loop. Will it work? Yes. I don't have to write inner loop anymore because I want to break the external loop. Whenever this situation is satisfied in any of the page, right, I have to come out of the external for loop. Directly will come outside. Okay. So now this is the logic I have written, guys. Okay. So for every page, what I have to do? So here I have to create inspect this one. If the first page, right? Inspect this pages actually. Inspect this. Page link 1 is there. If I go with this one, page link 2 is there. Okay, page link 2 is there. Okay, how to get the page link? Li page link. Li span. Control F. /li /span @class is equal to give that page link, and it's giving only one here. What about the other one? It's not coming. This is not working. Then should not take the class. Should not take the class span. Still one is coming. For other items, span is not there, guys. You see, for other items, span is not there. LA is there. Okay. Clickable, right? So it's A. So it should not be span. It can be A also. Hashtag you mention here. Hashtag you mention here. And write down @class is equal to page link. Now how many are coming? 11 are coming. Why 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After I click on this one, you see 1. Okay, there is a problem here. If I go to the 9th page, more pages are coming. I have to keep on clicking to go to the next levels. That's it. Okay, here I have to write something, whatever the text may be. It may be in the anchor tags or it may be inside the span tags. Here I have to write text is equal to, if I give 5 means only 5 will be located. Only 5 will be located. If I give something like 8, maybe 8 will be located. Okay, this is XPath expression I created, guys. I'll just try my level best in finding this. Okay, so what I have to do here is for page 1, I don't have to do anything. If it is not breaking here, I have to click on the next page. If it is not breaking here, it's not coming out of the for loop, means this option is not found in the first table. At the end of this for loop, it's not in the first table. Okay, then I have to click on the second page. To click on the second page. How to click on the second page here? String XPath is equal to XPath the text is equal to XPath the text. Pagination is also there here, guys. That's why we have to write like this. Okay. And here in place of put a semicolon here, in place of the 8, you just write plus here. I'll just write the logic here. Double quote. Here provide the double quote here. And in place of 8, you write. In place of 8, you write P. P plus 1. P plus 1. Okay. When I say P plus 1, initially P will be 1. Initially P is 1. Become 2. It will click on the 2. If it is not there in the first page, it will go on the second page. Okay. Then I have to write down driver dot find element by dot XPath text dot click. I will say that's it. Okay. Clicking on the page. Then P will become 2 here. 2 plus 1. Third page will be clicked. Okay. Again, it will take all the customers on the page. This kind of stuff we have to do. And this time I'll not give Arun Muturi or something. Here I'll go to a particular table, like some good number of table I'll go. 20th table I'll go, or 24th table I'll go. And here I'll see Rahul Das is there. Okay. I'll just take this Rahul Das and give it here. Rahul Das. Okay. The name I am giving, expected customer name I am giving as Rahul Das, and see whether this logic is working or not. I'm running the code. And if this is working, we are done for today, guys. Okay. So tomorrow we can start with the framework without any problem. Okay. So if this code is working fine, we are done for today. We are able to handle the dynamic web pages. Along with that pagination also we have automated here. Okay. This is how, based on the type of the table that you come across, we have to automate them. Okay. The application page should load. Demo, login, close, orders. If that's not in their first page, it has to go to the next page, but looks like it's not going to the next page. Okay. So what is happening here? Let's see. Already I got an exception. Pattern syntax exception, unmatched closing thing. Where exactly the exception is coming, we have to see. 51st line. Okay. That means this one, right? Actually, I should write this one. I have written that one. Okay. This one I have tried, guys. That's the mistake. That is the mistake I have written. Okay. Now run this again. Right click, run as Java application. These small mistakes may happen. Instead of starting circular bracket, I have given ending circular bracket. That's what is causing the problem. Is unable to split. That's the page load. Our script will wait until the option comes. No problem. Yeah, dashboard, close, orders. Is it working here? It's not working there. Looks like it's not working. Again, the same thing, pattern, unclosed group near index 1. Unclosed index near index 1. The pattern problem is coming, regular expression pattern. Original text dot split off. What is the actual text that is coming? We have to print it out. System.out.println. And original text I'll print it out. And here I'll also print it out. Anyhow, this is failing, so it will not come. Original text I'll print it out and see what is happening. Okay, by the time it should come, let's go here and see. Showing 1 to 10 of 410 space. Everything is good on it. Huh? Here, I'm trying to split using this regular expression. Original text dot split. Where exactly we are getting the error? 52 line only. This line is not happening. Original text dot split method of text is working fine only. Showing 1 to 10 of 410 space. Okay, got it. Here, this we have to provide inside single quotes or something, I think so. Okay. Now run this code, right click run as Java application. For some symbols, right, we have to provide like this. Otherwise, it's not going to work. This time it may work. Sometimes we have to specify in single quotes or something. Maybe you'll see what will happen. If it doesn't work, we'll see. Okay, now it's coming. Page loading is happening. Order table has come, but this time no such element exception is coming because the page was loading somewhere here. So I'll just give here 120 here also because that is not in our hands. We have to give like that for that application. We don't own the application. So in real time, we don't do that. But here we have to do it because we don't know at what point of time what is happening, right? Running the script here. See what is happening. This time again, the parse exception unclosed group near index 3 is coming. Which line we are getting the exception here this time? 52 line only. Again, the same problem. I think, okay, regular expression. I'll just work on it. How to give symbol in regular expression in what method that is? Split method. Split method. Split method of string class in Java. All right. We have to use that this one. Okay. Pattern dot quote I have to give. Okay. Pattern dot quote of double quotes we have to give. Then it is okay. So I'll copy this one. You see, you should not be giving, there may be some situations where you have to give like this, guys. Okay, there's no other way. Okay, that is pattern over the mouse. Import this pattern from regular expression, I think so, most probably. Pattern dot code of like this I'm giving. Let's see what will happen this time. Run this code and see whether it is working fine or not. After giving pattern dot code, the split method, giving the regular expressions for some symbols, right? You have to give like that only. For dot symbol, you cannot give like that directly. Okay, there may be different symbols. Verification is taking longer than expected. Checking your internet connection and refreshing the page. Orders. Yeah, it clicked on next, but what happened afterwards, we don't know. One time it clicked on next. It went to the second page. Up to second page it went. So at least successful. After that, we got an exception. That is stale element reference exception, not found in the current frame. Okay. Where is the line we got the stale element reference exception? We have to see. 64th line. Customers dot get of I. This is not working anymore, it's saying. But we have this right for int I is equal to 0. Customers dot size, customers. Maybe in the next iteration, the connection is being lost, maybe. I'll do one thing. Just copy this. If that kind of exception is coming, you have to write like this. Customers is equal to driver dot find element. We have to reconnect the things. Okay, otherwise it's not going to happen. Let's run this code again. If there is tail element reference exception, we have to do something like this. There's no other way. Once we are going to a new page, right, the connection is being lost, it seems. Okay. Once we are going to new page, the connection is being lost. That's the reason we are getting that. Again, we have to rebuild the connection. Okay, again, it's stopping here only. The second page only it's stopping, guys. In second page only it's stopping. This time, which exception? Again, stale element reference exception. Stale element reference found in the current frame. 65th line. Same thing, it's happening. Okay. We'll do one thing. I'll just give some thread dot sleep or something. Any suggestions here? Yeah, I'm applying that. I'll just give some thread dot sleep. 2 seconds, maybe. Ignore the exception. Run the script, right click run as Java application. Facing problems and solving the challenges is very important, guys. You see, step by step, we are solving the problems. It will not happen. In real time, also the same thing will happen where you have to solve the problem step by step manner like this. A lot of problems will come. For every problem, you have to figure out a solution and get the solution. Dashboard, a lot of things are coming, orders. Thread dot sleep is happening maybe. It's not even clicking on what to do. Okay. Not even figuring out after putting thread dot sleep, showing how much duration I gave here, guys. Maybe it's waiting for 120 seconds or so. Here, stale element reference exception, element not found in the current frame. After you click on this, driver.find element.click. Dynamically, you are doing that, no problem. Anywhere else, I'm getting this exception. Customers is equal to driver.find elements by.xpath. Okay, that will get the new customers anyhow. I don't think we have to give the customers here. Customers will not happen, any problem will not happen here actually. Don't think this is a place where the problem is coming. Okay, I got it. I have to move this outside this loop is equal to null. Then here customers is equal to, I have to write first of all. Then I have to write these customers for every page should be initialized. It's already getting initialized, right? So for example, in the first page, it will find, if it doesn't find the customer, it will come out of this for loop. Then it will go here and click on the second page. And in the second page for loop, again, customers.driver.find element means it should find the things properly. There should not be any exception actually. Okay. Yeah, let's do it again. Come on. It's taking more time. It's okay. It will end here. Yeah. Till here it worked. What is the problem? Again, the same problem, scale element reference exception only will come. I know. Which line? Again, at the 66th line. That is, this is the same line we got the exception. Okay. Just see what is happening. I'm giving 3 seconds here. Yeah, it's working now. Thread.sleep is working. Fourth page. It went to fourth page. Now it's went to fifth page. Went to sixth page. Then seventh page. Eighth page. You can see that in the pagination, the numbers are changing in the bottom. Ninth page. 10th page. After every 3 seconds, it's going to the next page. Okay. 11th page. 13th page. 14th page. 15th page. 16th page. 17th page. 18th page. 19th page. 20th page. 21st page. 22nd page. 23rd page. 24 we have given, I think so. 24. Stop here. Okay, it's going to 25. What is the page number we have given? I think it's in 24th page. Yeah, till 24 it went and it has selected. Till 24th page it went and selected Rahul Das. Okay. Yeah, it's working fine, guys. We have given Rahul Das. So Rahul Das got selected successfully. The script is working fine. So everyone clear with this particular script? This is how we have to do, guys. Okay. This is how we have to write the logic. So logic you have to build yourself, guys. I can only give you the solutions, but the practicing is in your hands. Okay. Practicing is in your hands. Every problem, lot of problems will come, challenges will come. We have to solve the challenges different ways and try to get the solutions, guys. So with this, we have completed how to handle the dynamic tables also, guys. And there is one more way also to solve this problem. There is one more way also. Instead of writing like this, I'll do one thing. I'll just copy paste this code, copy this file and paste it. It doesn't take much time. It's very simple logic. I'll tell you. Demo 2, I'll say. Demo 2. Here, we don't have to write this much big logic, guys. External for loop, inner for loop, we don't have to write that. Okay. External for loop is okay, but inner for loop, you don't have to write this much. Okay. If you know what is the name of the customer, it's very easy to find out. It's very easy to find out, guys. Okay. Using the relative XPath expressions, you don't have to get text and then, you don't have to write like this. You don't have to write this kind of XPath expressions and iterate this for loop for each and everything. There's some XPath expression, guys, that you can get. Okay. That is here. We'll simply try to see whether that particular record is available or not. If that is available, then we'll select. Otherwise, we'll not select. So what is that we have to do? I'll tell you. Here, instead of writing this much logic, right, we can reduce the logic a bit. The pages navigation, we cannot do anything, but the XPath expression I'm going to teach you will blow your mind. Okay. So here, I'll go to this. The last one, guys, just be with me. Here, let's say Rahul Das is there. Let's assume. Inspect this Rahul Das. So here, I don't know in which record Rahul Das is there, but I'll try to figure out. So I'll come from the form ID, copy this, /form @ID is equal to form ID, /table, I'll say, /tr, /td of text is equal to Rahul Das, I'll say. Is it locating? Yes, it is locating. Now, find some XPath. Okay. Now what I'll do is, once I locate this Rahul Das here, maybe like this also is fine. /table. Like this also is fine. It will locate the Rahul Das. Now, in that, I'll simply write down / for this Rahul Das. This TD we have to go. The first TD we have to go. Okay. That is preceding sibling. Preceding hyphen sibling : TD of 1, 2, 3, 4 if I give. You see, if I give 3, it's locating the input field. You see, with the help of Rahul Das, I'm locating. Using this XPath expression only we can locate, guys. There's nothing much here. Okay, copy this XPath expression and we have to simply select this one, nothing much. Okay. Text is equal to, we have to pass into this XPath expression and click on that. So here, for every, here I'll write down the code. Okay. Driver dot. If you are good with XPath expressions, you can write like this. Find element by dot XPath. Here string XPath text2 is equal to, I'll write something like this and put a semicolon. Okay. So here, provide a semicolon. In place of Rahul Das, I can change the stuff. In place of Rahul Das, I can change the stuff. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Here I put plus symbol here, plus symbol here. Only the name is mattering, right? Remaining all doesn't matter. Here provide double quotes. Here provide double, after place provide the double quote. Okay. Then in place of plus, I'll give the customer, expected customer name. I'll give the expected customer name in place of the plus. The things will be resolved. Done. XPath2 is coming. That XPath2 I'll give here. Driver.find element dot get XPath. Okay. So I have to simply say dot click. That's it. Dot click. Okay. Dot click. And I have to make sure that I have write try catch block here. If required, I have to write try catch block here. If that particular element is not there, then driver.find element may give you an exception. So catch exception E. Just print the exception details. Let's see if any exception details are coming. If it doesn't find, what will happen? Print the exception details, right? So it has to click until these are found. Okay. So now for every page, I have to find out whether this this particular thing is there or not. Okay. the customer is there or not, and then we have to select that. That's it. You don't have to write all this code, customers, driver.find element. Okay. You just have to select that. That's it. You don't have to even compare actual customer with expected customer and match it. All this code is not required, guys. Just remove this code. External for loop. Yeah, this is fine. So is this is for paragraph element, right? Li p plus 1, and it'll click on the paragraph element, and then we'll wait for 3 seconds and we'll go to the next paragraph. And here, yeah, p plus 1 is there required there. You don't have to even give expect, only one for loop is required in this case. Okay, break statement should be given once this is done. And write the break statement here. If it is able to select the option, I'll give the break statement. You see this how simple you can make the logic. You don't have to build a very big logic here. Okay. So here customers not required at all. Okay. So by using the XPath expression, if the customer name matches in the XPath expression, in that XPath expression using the XPath axis, I am able to select the input field. Okay. I'm able to select the input field. If that particular element is not there in the first page, then this will give you no such element exception. Where I'm printing no such element exception will be printed in the output, but it will keep on continuing the script with the second pages also. Run the script and see whether this is working or not. Last one, guys. Last one. I wanted to show two ways of handling the tables, either using the XPath axis or by writing that kind of code that I have shown you, right, for getting retrieving all the elements of the pages and all. Orders. It's not working. Somehow it's not working. You go here and find out, is there any problem there? Okay, there is a problem, I'll tell you. If the element is not found, the script will wait for 120 seconds. The script will wait for 120 seconds. I'll just give my like as 10 seconds only. Because for every element, if it is not found, it will not fail. Okay. In the first page, the element is not there. It is instead of failing, right? It's instead of giving the exception, it's waiting for 10 seconds. Right click run as just 10 seconds I'll give. Otherwise, even 10 seconds is more, guys. We have to wait for every page 10 seconds. We have to wait. Login. If this is coming at this place, no problem. If it's coming at another page, that's a problem then. Here we are waiting for the sales option, so no problem here. This is out of our reach, guys. Okay, we generally will not get this kind of situations in real time, but for this demo application, I have to do that. It will wait for 10 seconds and then click on the next page, because implicit wait time is 10 seconds. If the element is not found in this list, you see it waited for 10 seconds. For every time, it will wait for 10 seconds for going to the next page. It is working still. You see, it will take a lot of time now. 24 means 240 seconds. 4 minutes or something time it will take. That's okay. We'll wait for that to happen. Let's see it's selecting or not. Let's see. Now it will go to the 4th page. After 10 seconds, it will go to the 5th page. Using the XPath axis also, we can solve this kind of handling tables problems, guys, dynamic table problems. You will see, you will get different type of dynamic tables and you have to write your own logic for handling the dynamic tables. So if there are any other type of dynamic tables, right, we can solve on the, as part of live automation challenges sessions. Okay. On the weekends, we can do that. Okay. On the weekends, as part of live automation challenges, we'll do that. On the weekends from now onwards for the batch 1 people, it will be all about, extra additional topics. Okay, all the additional topics that I promised you will be done on the weekends. Okay, weekdays only trainings will be there, and once our frameworks are done, we'll stop the weekday sessions, and only on the weekends we'll continue with the remaining things. Click on the next option. It went to which page, guys? Showing 81 to 90 of 410. After 10 seconds, 91 to 100. That is 10th page, I guess so. It will take 2 more minutes, I think so, because we gave the time like that. We also will be getting the exception details in the output. You see, exception details are getting printed. You see, no such element exception, no such, but it's continuing. Script will continue, guys. Okay. If you don't want to get the exception details, just remove this part. Okay. Remove this part. That's one thing that you can do. And next thing is, I don't want to make this, just I'll wait for 2 seconds only. I'll just wait. I'll stop the script. It will take a lot of time, guys. Okay. Should be our based on our luck now. 2 seconds doesn't take much time, but 10 seconds is taking a lot of time. Already 3 seconds is there here. Already 3 seconds of time is there here. Again, 2 seconds. That's a big problem. Yeah, loading is happening here only. I think we are good. I just don't want to waste your time, so I just stop the script, guys. Okay. This time, what it should run fast compared to the previous one. It should run fast. Close orders. Page 2. The element is not found. It will go to the page 2. Exception will be handled, guys. No problem. Try catch block we have kept. Third page. Fourth page. At least it's fast. Fifth page. We'll go till 24th page. Sixth page. Seventh page. Eighth page. Ninth page. 10th page. 11th page. 12th page. 13th. 14. 10 more pages to go. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. Now 24th page is going to come where it has to select the option. Let's see. In 24th option, it has to select Rahul Das. Rahul Das got selected successfully. The script is working fine, guys. Okay, we still got the exception somehow. That's okay because I removed the try catch block, right? Still we got the exception. Maybe somewhere here we got the exception. Okay, I removed the exception here actually. I have to also remove the exception here. Okay, then it will not print any exception details. Okay, save this. Fine, anyhow, this is what is the script, guys. This is what is the script that I wanted. There are two ways of handling the dynamic tables, either using the XPath access or by writing this kind of logic. Both the ways you can use. Both the ways by writing some logic or by writing the XPath access, you can handle the dynamic tables. So everyone clear with this? Type C in the chat box if you guys are clear. Yeah, great. So from tomorrow, we are going to start the SNG framework concepts. Okay, one by one framework concepts I'll cover. After the frameworks or concepts are completed, then we'll go for the actual frameworks, and then we'll build the frameworks, and then the CI/CD and all those stuff we'll discuss, and all those things are in pending anyhow. We'll also take the advantage of the weekends to complete the topics, additional topics together. So try to also attend the additional topics for a few weeks. Batch one will go with the weekend topics. Okay. So that's all from my side, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can leave for today. This is how we can handle the tables. I'll upload the code here. You can take the code from the GitHub repo. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me or you can say no in the chat box. Type no in the chat box if you don't have any questions. Try to solve the problems by yourself, guys. All these problems try to solve by yourself. Though I solved it for you, but you have to solve by yourself and try to see if you're able to get the solutions. Your confidence will rise because of these problems, okay? While solving these problems. Try to watch the recordings multiple times if required. If you're not able to understand, that will also solve the problem sometimes, okay? So this one comes under, yeah, I'm uploading everything. I'm uploading everything at a go, okay? Previous logic, current logic, everything will come now. Selenium batch one project. The batch one project, right? Yes. The batch one project. I'm uploading everything, guys. Okay. All the latest code I'm uploading. Okay. So it will contain the previous code, current code, everything will be there. And also, if I have not uploaded any recordings, right, I'll try to upload today. Yeah, welcome. Welcome, guys. Yeah, that's all. I uploaded the code. You can get from the GitHub repo URL. So here, go to GitHub and here in my search for GitHub Arun otherwise. Okay, GitHub Arun Motori. You search for like this Arun Motori and GitHub Arun Motori will come. And in that link, you'll go to the repositories. In the repositories, you can search for Selenium batch one project. Click on the Selenium batch one project just now uploaded. This is a repo link. Okay, this is a repo link where you will get the code uploaded. Okay, SRC handling dynamic tables just now uploaded. Handling tables, tables demo. In that, just now uploaded handling dynamic tables and handling dynamic tables too. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, we'll go with the frameworks, guys. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, we'll go with the frameworks. So that's all for this session. See you guys. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.